So today I'm in Marvelous Designer and I'm going to show you how to delete sewing. So as you can see here, something is very wrong with my stitching. And if I stop my simulation and I just grab all my patterns here, I'm going to just see it in the viewport by right-clicking, resetting 3D arrangement, and you'll see that I have some twisted sewing on the waistband to the pant leg. Everything else looks good. The straight lines are good. That's what you want to see. You just don't want to see this twist. So that twist is happening over here. If I go into my segment sewing tool, I can see that this segment is being attached to this or sewn to this segment when really it should be one-to-one here. So how do I delete this to get it right? Well, I'm going to go into my edit sewing tool and right click at the segment that is getting twisted. I'm going to then delete sewing, and then I'm going to go back to segment sewing to get it right. So if I click on the corresponding segments that create this rectangle shape, you'll see that that is correct and it's not twisted in the 3D viewport. So if I push spacebar to simulate, it's much smoother, and that is the waistband that we wanted to see. So that's how you do it. That's how you delete sewing in Marvelous. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.